Placing a stop loss on Etrade helps you limit potential losses by automatically selling a stock when it reaches a certain price. Here's how to do it. Log into your Etrade account. Visit the Etrade website or use the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Go to the trading platform. On the dashboard, click the Trade tab and select Stocks or ETFs from the drop-down menu. Search for the stock. In the search bar, enter the ticker symbol or name of the stock you want to set a stop loss for. Select Sell and set stop loss. Click Sell to initiate a sell order. In the order type drop-down menu, select Stop Order. This will trigger a sale when the stock hits the price you specify. Enter stop price. Input the stop price, which is the price at which your stock will be automatically sold. Make sure this price reflects your risk tolerance. Review and submit. Double-check the order details, including the stop price and number of shares, and click Place Order. Monitor your stop loss. You can manage or cancel the stop loss in the Orders or Portfolio section if needed.